Hello everyone, and welcome back to Supernova 101. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up and managing user roles within your workspace and design systems. Assigning roles at both the workspace and design system levels ensure efficient collaboration while maintaining control and security. Let's dive in. User roles in Supernova define what collaborators can view, edit, or manage. Roles are assigned at the workspace level but can also be adjusted at the design system level for more granular control. Supernova organizes roles into two main groups, viewers and editors, with more specific permissions available as contributor, admin, and owner. Let's break down the roles. Viewer can browse the design system and access its documentation, but cannot make any changes. Perfect for design system consumers or external vendors. Contributor, an editor with limited permissions like updating documentation and commenting, but without publishing privileges. Ideal for team members contributing content to the system. Editor has full editing rights for tokens, components, and documentation. Best for core team members managing the design system's evolution. Admin, an editor with additional control to manage roles, pipelines, and system settings. This role is typically assigned to leads or system owners. Owner. Think of owners as super admins of the workspace. They can have higher level of access, including the ability to delete critical data like the entire workspace. Workspace roles define a user's access across the entire workspace, where design system roles allow for tailored permissions within individual design systems. A user can have different roles in different design systems, enabling precise control over access and responsibilities. Let's have a look at how you can set these up in Supernova. To manage team roles, start by setting permissions at the workspace level. To access workspace roles, navigate to Settings, Team, and Access. Under the Workspace Members area, adjust the team member's role as needed. If you need to override a user's role for a specific design system, in the Team and Access tab, go to Design Systems, select the design system you want to edit, then click the context menu and choose View Team Members. You'll see each team member's default workspace role. Click in the role to assign a new one specific to the design system's context. A note about viewer restrictions. Users with a viewer role at the workspace level cannot be assigned an editor role within a design system. To give them editing privileges, upgrade their role to editor at the workspace level first. And that's how you can set up and manage user roles in Supernova. With role-based access, you'll have secure visibility into your team's responsibilities while enabling smooth and effective collaboration. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for the next Supernova 101. Until then, happy designing!